Hello students, I am Subhashish. Previously, we have learnt about the area and volume of cubes and cuboids. Today, in this part, we are going to learn about the area and volume of cylinders and cones. Learning objectives. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to know the total surface area of the cylinder, the lateral surface area of the cylinder, the volume of the cylinder, the total surface area of the cone, the volume of the cone. Keywords from this lesson are area, perimeter, volume, cylinder, cone, total surface area, lateral surface area. Cylinder. A cylinder is a three-dimensional object with two round flat bases and one curved side. It has a curved surface in the middle. The base and the top surface are identical. That means the bases are always parallel and congruent to each other. It has no vertices. Area of a cylinder. Now, if we look at the figure carefully, we see that there are three faces of the cylinder. Two circles and one rectangle. One circle is at the base of the cylinder and other is at the top. Both of the circles are of the same size. A rectangular face is the curved surface of the cylinder. So, the area of the circle of the cylinder is pi r square. The area of the two circles will be 2 pi r square. Radius r of a cylinder is the radius of its base. Now, the area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. 2 pi r is the circumference of the circle and h is the height. The curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h, that is equal to 2 pi r h. So, the total surface area of the cylinder will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, or total surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h, where r is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder, the distance between two bases. Let us see one example. A cylindrical tank is 50 cm in diameter and 7 meter in height. Find the curved surface area and total surface area of the tank. Solution. Given height h of cylindrical tank is equal to 7 meter and radius r of circular base is equal to d by 2, that is 50 by 2 centimeter, which is equal to 25 centimeter. Which is also equal to 0.25 meter. So, the curved surface area of cylindrical tank is equal to 2 pi r h square units. Now substitute all the values in the formula. that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25 into 7. Which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25 can be written as 25 divided by 100 into 7. Now, by simplifying, we get 11 meters square. The total surface area of the tank is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. By substituting all the values in the formula, we get 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25 into 7 plus 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25 square. Now, by simplifying, we get 2 into 22 into 0.25 plus 2 into 3.14 into 0.0625. By adding 11 plus 0.3925, we get 11.3925 meters square. Volume of cylinder. A cylinder is solid with two congruent circles joined by a curved surface. In the above figure, the radius of the circular base is r and the height is h. The volume of the cylinder is the area of the base into height. Since the base is a circle and the area of a circle is pi r square, then the volume of the cylinder is pi r square into h. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Let us see one example. Calculate the volume of a cylinder where the radius of the base is 14 cm and the height h is 10 cm. Solution. Volume is equal to area of base into height, that is equal to pi r square h. Given r is equal to 14 cm and h is equal to 10 cm. Now, by substituting the values in the formula, we get V is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 square into 10. Which is equal to 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 10. By simplifying, we get 6160 centimeter cube. Let us now study about the cone. Have you ever wondered how much ice cream is needed to fill an ice cream cone? Doesn't the cone look like a triangle with a curved surface? So, how is the conical shape formed and what is its volume and surface area? Let us try to find out answers to these questions. Surface area of a cone. While studying cones, we generally consider a right circular cone. If you cut a paper cone straight along its side and open it, you can see the shape of paper that forms the surface area of the cone. And when you bring the sides marked P and Q together, you can see the curved portion of the shape forms a circle. Furthermore, if the shape is cut into small pieces along the lines marked in the figure, you can see that the pieces look like a triangle whose height is the slant height L. Now, the area of each triangle is equal to half into base of triangle into slant height L. So, the sum of the areas of many such triangles make up the area of the sector. Hence, the curved surface area is half B1 into L plus half B2 into L plus half B3 into L, so on. That is equal to half. Taking L common, we get half into L into B1 plus B2 plus B3, so on. That is half into L into length of the whole curved boundary. Also, the entire curved portion makes the perimeter of the base of the cones. The circumference of the base is equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the base. So, the curved surface area is equal to half into L into 2 pi r, which is equal to pi r L. Where r is the radius of the base and L is its slant height. We already know that cone constitutes the right angle triangle. As per Pythagoras theorem, length of the slant side is equal to L square is equal to r square plus h square. Therefore, slant height L is equal to under root r square plus h square. Furthermore, if a circle whose area is pi r square is used to close the base, then the total surface area is equal to pi r L plus pi r square. Therefore, total surface area of a cone is equal to pi r into L plus r. Let us see one example. The total surface area of a cone of radius 7 cm is 704 cm square. Then find its slant height. Solution. Given that radius r is equal to 7 cm, now total surface area of the cone is equal to pi r into L plus r square units. Given total surface area is equal to 704 cm square. (704) is equal to 22 by 7 into 7 into L plus 7. By simplifying, we get 32 is equal to L plus 7. That implies L is equal to 25 cm. Therefore, slant height of the cone is 25 cm. Volume of cone. Cones are 3D triangles with a circular shaped base. According to the structure, the volume of a cone is assumed to be 1/3 of a cylinder with the same radius of base and height. As the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. So, volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 of pi r square h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height. Let us see one example. The volume of a right circular cone is 9856 cm3. If the diameter of the base is 28 cm, calculate the height, slant height and curved surface area. Solution. Given volume V is equal to 9856 cm3. The diameter of the base is equal to 28 cm. Radius of the base is equal to d by 2. That is 28 by 2, which is equal to 14 cm. One by 3 pi r square h is equal to 9856 cm3. Now substitute all the values in the formula. That is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into h, which is equal to 9856. Now solve for h. That is, h is equal to 9856 into 3 into 7 by 22 into 14 into 40. By simplifying all the terms, we get h is equal to 48 cm. Now, find the slant height L. We know slant height L is equal to under root r square plus h square. Now, substitute the values of r and h. That is root over 14 square plus 48 square. By simplifying, we get L is equal to 50 centimeter. We know curved surface area is equal to pi r l. Now substitute all the values in the formula. That is 22 by 7 into 14 into 50. By simplifying, we get 2200 cm square. Points to remember. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. The total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. The curved surface area of the cone is pi r l. The total surface area of the cone is pi r into L plus r. The volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Thanks for watching.